Hello, I'm Parish and we are at South Sea Beach, and this is the whole Atlantic Ocean. And over there, right over there is the island, and which drink you can see that I'm drinking is from that coffee shop. It has tea, coffee, milkshake, ice cream, whatever you want. And my uncle bring this, so thank you. And it's so sunny, and I'm so excited. And over there you can see some clouds. It's so beautiful. And my teacher come here, and my teacher saw a bottle with a message. So it said, when she opened it said, "Help, I am stuck on an island. I need a boat to survive." And then now we are learning about boats and Paddington. And I'm from Bramble Infant School in Mabel class. It's so beautiful outside, and my school is really cool. And my teachers called Miss Sutherland, Miss Harris, Miss Hobday, Miss Christie, and Miss White, and Miss Kay. I have loads of teachers. And we are gonna go home. I'm so excited because my mom bought some things for me. When we are gonna go home, I'm gonna see loads of things, and I'm just so excited. It's gonna be a very good day. It's gonna be very good.